don't think you can't do this because there's not just a duplex and you needed it to be a duplex. If you can find one, that's amazing, but you can make it work without that, and sometimes that's even more profitable.
Now, if you've been around long enough, you're probably familiar with the concept of house hacking. I know you are. However, you might still feel like there's something missing, something that isn't immediately apparent. House hacking a duplex is an affordable way to enter the real estate investment world. It allows you to live in your rental property while earning income, a win-win scenario. In this video, you'll learn the step-by-step process of how to house hack a duplex. If you watch the entire video, I'll guide you through the process of house hacking a duplex in complete detail. Basically, you'll learn all the necessary steps to kickstart your house hacking journey. Without further delay, here are the 8 steps in house hacking a duplex. Number 8. Define your goal or intent. The key factor that sets the foundation for success is having the right intent. It's not just about buying a property and renting out one side, but rather having a genuine love for the duplex and envisioning it as your own home. This level of commitment is crucial because you need to live in the duplex for at least a year. By having the intent to live in the duplex, you avoid the risk of getting stuck with only one side and missing out on the potential to flip or sell it. Living in the property ensures that you take proper care of it and manage it effectively. This prevents such issues such as negligent tenants or inadequate maintenance, which can cause problems in the long run. Merely being curious about the idea of buying a duplex and renting out part of it is not enough. You need to be fully prepared to embrace the space as your own and be financially capable of supporting yourself and your family with a rental income from the other half. Ready to own a duplex and house hack it? Don't leave just yet. I promise you won't regret staying until the very end.
Before we dive in, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do you want the chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, MacBook Pro, or a $500 Amazon gift card? Find the hidden message that's in the video, comment it down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will choose one random subscriber in each video for a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. Don't forget to hit the like button, and good luck.
Number 7. Be mindful of the numbers. This is a step that you can't afford to skip. It's time to create a new budget specifically tailored for this venture. Here's why. Unlike buying a traditional house, you need to be more mindful of your mortgage expenses. Ideally, you should aim to spend no more than 30% of your income on your mortgage. However, with a duplex, it can be challenging to stay within this limit, especially if you're considering a property that requires repairs or renovations. To determine how much you can afford, you must account for the costs of repairs and renovations, which tend to be higher for duplexes. Also consider the time and effort you'll need to invest in maintaining the property and ensuring it runs smoothly. Running the numbers goes beyond financial visibility. It helps you align your budget with the lifestyle you desire. Consider the amenities that matter to you and their associated costs, allowing you to factor them into your day-to-day living expenses. Furthermore, clarify your goals for the property. Are you seeking passive income? Do you plan to rent out one unit while living in the other? Identify any major repairs or renovations that need to be addressed before you can move in. Number 6. Consider a loan. In financing your house hacking journey, one option to consider is obtaining an FHA loan. This type of loan allows you to cover just 3 to 5% of the duplex's price, while the rest is financed by the loan. However, note that an FHA loan is typically available only for residential properties. A residential property is defined as a home with 1 to 4 units, which perfectly aligns with the structure of a duplex. The catch with an FHA loan is that you're required to live in the property for a minimum of 1 year before renting out the other unit. And hey, it's worth noting that you can only qualify for this loan once. If an FHA loan doesn't suit your needs or circumstances, there are other low down payment financing options to explore. Number 5. Decide the ideal area. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, sad to say, but I can provide you with some general guidelines to help you make an informed decision. First, think about the proximity of the rental property to your primary residence. If you plan on traveling frequently, having a rental closer to home can be convenient for checking in during trips. On the other hand, if you intend to spend more time at home, having an additional rental in another city might be a good option, allowing friends and family to visit without extensive travel. Finding the right area for your rental can be challenging, especially if your local market has already experienced significant appreciation and high investor activity. You need to identify an area that has the potential for future value appreciation. Safety and good schools are important considerations to protect your investment. Look for areas with low crime rates and reputable educational institutions. Number 4. Search the property and make inference. This is where the excitement begins. You can explore platforms like Google, Craigslist, Zillow, and Trulia as they provide valuable listings to consider. When browsing properties online, pay attention to the number and size of bedrooms and bathrooms. The number of bedrooms should align with the number of occupants, and it's essential to ensure that there are sufficient bathrooms for everyone's comfort. Now, analyzing a property goes beyond its physical features. Evaluate the neighborhood to gauge its appeal and potential tenant market. Consider the amenities, nearby schools, and accessibility to transportation. These factors can significantly impact the desirability and long-term value of the property. Examining the property's condition is crucial. Look for any damages, ensure it meets building codes, and address any immediate repair needs such as leaks. It's wise to hire a professional home inspector to conduct a thorough inspection before making an offer. Number 3. Hiring a real estate agent. Going solo is not the best route. Trust me, it'll end up costing you more time and money in the long run. That's why you need someone who knows the ins and outs of the industry. Finding the right real estate agent is crucial as they can make or break your investment. So before you dive into the search, do your homework. Take the time to research and find an agent who has a solid understanding of the market and a proven track record. Having an agent by your side is like having a guardian angel protecting your interests. They possess extensive knowledge of the area and can prevent you from falling victim to overpriced properties or shady deals. A skilled agent will skillfully negotiate the price and terms of your purchase, ensuring you get the best possible outcome. They'll guide you through the paperwork maze involved in buying a home, including mortgage applications and title searches. Their expertise and support will save you from any potential pitfalls along the way. Once you've identified a potential agent who aligns with your needs and budget, schedule a meeting to discuss their services. Number 2. Purchase the property. Purchasing a duplex is a smart choice because it offers the extra space, bedrooms, and bathrooms that make it appealing to potential renters. However, if a single-family home meets your needs with sufficient bedrooms and baths without feeling cramped, that can also be a viable option. But before you sign on the dotted line, make sure everything's in order. You don't want any unpleasant surprises down the road. Take the necessary steps to ensure that the property is thoroughly inspected. The last thing you want is to discover major issues like hidden mold or termite infestations after the purchase. Timing is crucial in this stage of the process. Ensure that all the necessary documentation is reviewed and understood before finalizing the purchase. Double check that all financial arrangements and legal requirements are in place to protect your interests. Number 1. Meet new tenants for your property. Renting to existing tenants can be advantageous. They can provide you with a rental history and references from previous landlords, giving you insight into their payment habits and home maintenance practices. If they have a track record of being responsible tenants, it's likely they'll continue to uphold these qualities on your property. On the other hand, you may also choose to seek out new tenants. However, don't rush into accepting just anyone who can pay rent. Take the time to conduct thorough screenings. Check their references, ensure their financial stability, and confirm their ability to pay rent on time consistently. Requesting credit reports can also help identify any potential red flags. During tenant meetings, engage in meaningful conversations, inquire about their budget, their preferences for a home, and their anticipated length of stay. The point is, house hacking a duplex can be a game changer for your investment portfolio. Instead of waiting and spending on a high-priced dream home with hefty monthly payments, consider the benefits of purchasing an investment property that can generate passive income and long-term cash flow. So, do you have any other ideas on how to house hack a duplex? Comment your suggestions down below. If you found this content valuable and informative, don't forget to show your support by liking the video and subscribing. But it doesn't end there. There is more that goes into house hacking success, and if you want to know exactly what it is, watch this video next, where we'll give you a full breakdown. So, click the video on the screen, and we'll see you in the next one.